Hey, what's going on, you guys? So in today's video, I will show you how to join someone without friending them in Roblox. Now, this is going to be quick and easy, so let's start. Alright, so I have Roblox already running here. So what you want to do is go to the experience or the game that you want to join with someone there who is not your friend. Now click on servers. So in here, beneath servers my friends are in, we can see that there is other servers. And here, you can actually join these games. Now, the players and the users here are not necessarily our friends, but we can join them through the servers. However, if you know a specific user who is not your friend and you want to join his or her game or his or her experience, unfortunately, there is no way to do that. So this is one of Roblox features to keep privacy. So you need to be friends with that person or that user to join his or her experience or his game. Alright, so I hope this information is helpful for you guys. Thank you so much for watching, and I will see you in the next one.